Keep your lines open in case you run
Fuck
into
is a
trouble.
cathedral?
Hey!
Damn!
What the hell? Bye bye.
Yo. You clip that. Oh wait, that's a human. Fuck.
Wait, I'm gonna...
You're doing a front flip.
Bro, what is it? Oh hell no, you go on the road first. Ladies first.
Guess we're not going that way.
I'm so sexy.
Help. Stop
Sexy.
grooming and help. Stop grooming and help.
Sexy, I'm so sexy.
Where do I go? Oh my
Come
God,
through.
thank you. Move!
Fucking Jesus fucking Christ, bro. When you tell someone to come, they don't come, man. Holy shit. Like fucking men, bro.
So true.
Shut your bitch ass. Looks like we killed all of them. That's what he's gonna say? Looks like we killed all of them.
Why is there actually a bus here? Yo! No way!
Simulator, man. Holy shit.
Oh, am I supposed to be doing that?
Ah, damn it! Get off me, you rat bastard!
What about old guy? Old guy, okay? Where you guys? No, he's not.
Fuck old guy. Baby.
Hell, boy!
Hey, old guy died.
No! Old guy!
I'm just old guy. Japanese dude died too.
No! Japanese!
He was so close.
Get off me, you fucking.
So emo. Yo, Mr. Worldwide. Oh!